everybody. Welcome back to Lincoln Lane. Snowstorm edition. It's about 20 after 2 in the morning. Snow stopped. Fresh snow falling about probably an hour ago. I shoveled a path briefly on purpose yesterday to see how much more was going to fall by about halftime. And based on what I'm seeing here, I would say we got just about every inch of what they said we were going to. Cars are pretty much capped. That's a lot of weight right there. I have to get out here and shovel off the walk again. I need to get invested in a snowblower. That is a backbreaker. It is fluff though. It's dry snow, it's not wet. So it should shovel fairly easily. Boy, it is dead quiet right now. And it's rare that this stretch of road is this dead even at this hour. You've normally got people, at least a few people hustling up the street right now, but there is nothing. It was falling faster than they could grade it yesterday, so. High and dry in here. My favorite, this 83 Cartier, remains under roof. Been trying to get the throttle position sensor swapped out on this. That arm's in the way over there though, so I gotta finagle that at some point, possibly today, maybe not. May not mess with it. It is pretty cold out here. But other than that, Lady Jade, this green one's doing real well still, like usual. Happy to be awake and running after 30 years sitting. 88 Cartier back there. Now a 3-tone car, 2-tone gray by default, now covered in white snow. Got a gasket fitted to its EGR valve a few days ago. Surprised to find that it didn't have one. Apparently they didn't all roll out of the factory with a gasket between the plenum and that valve. Fixed that. Replaced its map sensor. That car's idle had gotten really choppy and sputtery and kind of unstable, and boy did that smooth it out. Map sensor's kind of a big deal on those cars. So that's doing a lot better. Got to get its exhaust replaced. It was original under there and it's not doing well. The tailpipe actually fell off of it a few months ago. The car's still not, it's not loud, it's just that exhaust pipe is fairly fragile as it ages and gets really old, so I got to get that down and get it done. I may convert it to dual. But other than that, not much else to report other than silence, cold, and a whole lot of work to do later on. So y'all stay safe, stay warm, stay high and dry, and we'll catch you on the flip side.